Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we're learning about SQL Subqueries, which are powerful tools that allow you to run queries within queries. So let's get started. SQL Subqueries, also known as inner queries or nested queries, are queries embedded within another SQL query. This can be used with select and many other SQL clauses like insert. Now, let's look at an example to understand how to use subqueries in SQL to find out a particular set of results. Now, if we come across a scenario like we want to display the details of the employees who has the highest salary. In this table, you can see that it's employee ID 1, whose name is John, and his salary is 60,000. Now, let's use subqueries to find the desired output in dbFeeder. We can see that we have the table with the following columns: employee ID, first name, last name, and salary. The question was that we want to display the details of the employees who has the highest salary. So, first, let's try to find out the maximum salary. So, we will write max salary from employees. If we run it, we'll find that the maximum salary is 60,000. But we want to display all the data of the employee who is having the highest salary. So what we can do is we can use this as a subquery. So let's put it under a bracket, put it down below, and now write select star from employees where salary is equal to this. Now, if we run it, you see, we get the details of the employee who has the highest salary. Now, what's happening here is that first this inner query is being run, and then we're getting the value 60,000. And in this one, after the where clause, you can see that it's comparing where the salary is 60,000, and hence we're getting the output. So that's how you can use subqueries in SQL. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to put a thumbs up, and a sub to the channel would be deeply appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.